to discuss like set related classes. So the collection interface. Okay. Under the collection, what are the list of collection we have? List. And so run through the two classes in the list. One list. And this vector. Okay, that will be discussed tomorrow. And go set interface. So what set interface and implemented class. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. This is here hierarchy. So collection is interface is extended to set interface. This is the abstract set class. Abstract set class. Set interface method. But to make abstract, any one of the method is not implemented. That's the reason it's called as a abstract set. HashSet is a purely implemented about the abstract set and interface and collection related information or methods. That's what. The abstract set is a class, but not implemented all the set interface methods and collection interface methods. And only set HashSet method, HashSet class is implemented. All the unimplemented methods are removed. Okay, and coming to structure wise, how to store, what type of data will store, how element access, how the element can be deleted, etc. So coming to the mechanism, before going to that, there will be a second. It's the thing, we can review the definition, proper definition. First point, set is an interface, data structure we follow. First thing is set a collection, as you know that, and it can contain duplicate elements. Collection, it contains duplicate element. Which one? The yesterday one, the list. That is reverse. Cannot contain duplicate elements. And main implementation methods of set is HashSet, TreeSet, and linked HashSet. There are three methods. There are three classes implemented of set interface. One is a HashSet, TreeSet, and linked. And coming to the HashSet. Let's see the HashSet what it is exactly. And if I click in HashSet and okay, same blah blah is writing like this class is interface and backend administrator, it's not something like that. But here, this point will discuss later, synchronization. Okay, and the main points are here. HashSet is not in order. Which order? Don't confuse that. I'm comparing. Maintain in an order does not maintain any order. It works. That's the reason people directly ask the question. What is the difference between the set interface and list interface or set and list? List a insertion order. How you make the insertion or add the element, that order should be maintained. But in the hash set or set, it does maintain any order. Then would be retain any one of the random order. Set does not allow duplicate. Set does not allow duplicate. List allow duplicate. Thus, these are the 2 points, common points, to reverse. No sin. And so, suppose if you last an interview, you try to add a duplicate element. What it will happen? Overwrite. How? Actually, the question, but let it be. Okay? And HashSet allows a null values. Null values, however, you insert the one null value, then one value only. And, it is not a synchronized. The synchronized means multiples can access at a time. Okay? Yes. Iterator haven't talked right now, so this is the point, common point. So the points, set not maintain any order. Set does not allow duplicate. Set only one null value. Allows null value. List value. Check the first list and we'll see this example. Yesterday. When I'm adding the list alone, null. Null value. Example for list only. I'll try to yes. Multiple null values. 6 point. Yes. Only number of values. Okay. Yeah. I'm running an example of set as set. As example. So the syntax has set of string and h equal to new hash and okay, and for the Java utility of the first point. So not maintain. Okay. So maintain any order. Set.
Excuse me,
Yes.
we can be parent reference here also, right? Normally, So you have used the list parent with child reference parent reference to child object, right? In the same way, can we also use that here?
No, but you're not telling me what is exact reason why we have to make here some R&D to you.
Actually, I tried that, but I didn't get the exact answer. I didn't understand it properly.
That's why I'm asking to you. You never get and you never understand.
One point I understood is that whenever you want to change a different shell, you can use it with parent reference object. Equal sales or something like that.
Okay, that is like 90% correct. That answer, right? Second answer is 90% correct. So that is actually nothing is different. Suppose if I make here HashSet, see that and complete answer for you. So if I make this HashSet of HashSet is perfect correct, and this is statement also. This is a root reference. Okay. Okay. So both statements are correct. Okay. Both statements are correct. If you this way, if you do correct. Okay. But as we know, as we learn here, what is last name? Okay. Yes. Suppose right using HashSet. But I want to like use your TreeSet also. So I'll explain why we have to use TreeSet. New TreeSet. So here the main thing, main purpose, this should interface. Okay, classes are implemented. HashSet and TreeSet. Make the interface. Suppose this is HashSet now. Okay, and so I do like suppose how I explain this again. Add value, then we'll come back. And this the add element is hard. Okay, add element. So see that if I system out.println, I have this one. This is what it is. It's contain height. Yeah. So I like to use dot to use dot action selection and it is HSO. Okay. But I will tell you tomorrow. This example is not correct. Fit. To explain.
Oh, okay. That's okay. You just remember it and maybe explain as and possible.
So these two classes are not good for explaining.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Just
maybe I will remind you later again.
So yes. So up to here, we'll talk about this data structure only. Yes, I just added the HS only, and the thing is like I'm adding one more value. I got hello, it's a hi. And I got to boy. So see that what I will do is let's suppose P high. Okay. Now if I am this one, see that my insertion order list session. Okay. List is maintained how you ready that. But here it does not maintain. No, that means it will be sorted order, default sorted order. It will be one default sorted order. Okay. So coming a sorting order. So let's take a random example. Okay, there are technique to that is coding. It's like very advanced one. As of now, don't think that no in read it. Hashing technique. If you have time to read what is hashing technique in Java or hash code technique, so then to know how the element how is going to be stored in JVM. Okay? Yes. But by saying that, you can see that set does not maintain adder. So added the first X high, but the concept get printed is normal high. And P hello, second one is P hello, and the third is X high and boy. It does not maintain order. It is playing a random order. Okay, and suppose h is dot add and making a duplicate by again. Okay, I'm making a duplicate by I'm making a duplicate h dot add of p hello. Okay, so even though if I have added a duplicate element, list does not allow to store. Set does not allow to store a duplicate element. How many I have added here? 1, 14th line, 15th line, 16th line, 17th line, and 19th and 20th. Elements I have added, but in that console, only the 4 elements are displaying. Okay, that does not allow the duplicate. Set is allows, saying allows. It's one value. Suppose I add h data, add null. Let's see that. If you add 2 nulls, only 1 null is checked. Okay, but it is allows multiple nulls. And okay, keep it here. He is like entering the data. Okay, see that there is no get. Why? Because yesterday, as I told you, it is maintaining a index base. It is accessing, deleting, and because of internal. Okay, only in storage mechanism, which is extended, as a small base. But here the technique, how here is storage technique. Okay, here the storage technique hashing element. How I like that. we have read hash code and how to read. Okay, and the set value. So we carry the for loop. Let's tell me for loop. Suppose string as colon and second dot out dot println has. Okay, so looping iteration. This iteration. Each loop for each loop. We cannot do because there is no mechanism to indexing. That does not have any mechanism for index-based access. Index that. Okay. This is about the set. Example. Set addition. Which is also following the main duplicate and all values. Let's display that. And suppose you yes, delete element. How the element in set. Okay, so deleting element this operation. So delete. Let's see. Remove the object. Suppose I want to delete the object is by. By colon. Okay. Okay. So again that which is why will not be in the set. In the set. There is data is also easy. Size, array size, set size, increase data size, common operations. Okay. System dot out dot println value has set its size assets machines and semicolon and semicolon and so whether that means methods size remove the reason take simply are not as of now result because it has the data. Okay. What it returns and just data hardware and size is clear. So you want clear once clear that has set and print it and you will see that no of clear has set. Has So nothing is there. Nothing is there. It's clear data. So clearing means no values. So what I do, there is one more operation. System not of interval. Just contain object. Okay. So object is content. Suppose in the extra hello is available or not. Just I'm checking that. So what happens? So if I run this one, I'll get a false. Because there is no value in that HashSet, we will give the content of X high. It is not there. Suppose we will come and save code. It's just clear. Okay, it's just clear. One line. Clearing the data and not checking that HS.X high. This time, it's available on the list. We are clearing it. We'll get a true state. Our element is presented on the set or not. Need of this just 2 equal to hash notify remove. Yeah, remove all. So you can do enter remove to string wait. Okay. This is operation. Sorry. So this is operation done like HashSet. Okay. And there is one more example. TreeSet. So difference between from HashSet to TreeSet is only one difference, I think so. One that in any order, correct? It is not maintained. That HashSet does not maintain any order. So TreeSet will maintain sorting order. Remaining are same. It does not allow duplicate. It allows only one null value allocated things in there. Okay. You'll see that. Okay. Similar to HashSet except to string element and ascending order. Similar to HashSet except plots the element ascending order. While HashSet does not maintain any order, that's it. Nothing else on that. Whenever you want to order, so you want to sorting order must be ascending. Then you go for TreeSet. When we use in real time, means suppose you have the then column should be maintained ascending order. Column student name should be in the ascending or descending. So that time we give that all the columns on the table. Suppose it is a table of TR column. All the elements should be TreeSet. We come to know it is maintaining order because what elements are displaying in the UI, right? Those order is set by that web driver. It will store in that ascending order. Okay, that time we'll use it. Ascending column verification, any ascending value, descending value. Suppose your drop list should maintain ascending order. Go for a TreeSet. Okay. TreeSet is similar to HashSet except that the extra feature sorting her. Okay. HashSet also allows null, but does not contain duplicate something that allows. And one of the class, okay, synchronization we'll talk later about. And here, don't believe is given. Simple age similar, only 10 association are probably. Copy this particular code in my Eclipse, and let's see that. Let's start on this TreeSet call. So created two first TreeSet object. Okay, added the element. It is this is string and ink. So say that thing. And second one is TreeSet integer. TreeSet is integer and data is added like 87 10 3 2. Okay, let's print that and it tells the order. So the 0 3 7 8 8 and 40. Oh, sorry, 1 and 2 2. This one. So make here the time for asset. If it is a asset, okay, it's I should explicitly asset here. I'm printing the value. Now see that it is not maintained order. Random order. That is 0 1 1 7 8 8 and 2. Hash does not follow the order. So if you make a TreeSet, assigning order, increasing order, difference. Okay.
Since the right statement that many times, can we add it in a single line? Multiple lines in a single line, single statement? Every time when you are adding, you are writing multiple lines, right? Test2 dot add up 88, test2 add up 7. Instead of that many times, can we add it in a single line? Any separating comma or any function for that?
No, not below. Below. The syntax would be like one element at a time.
Oh, one element at a time.
There is a third add method, only one element will be active. Okay. We will not get this way. We will get a returns. So, there is a test data method will return this value, will store this value at a time. Adding explicitly, but we cannot add like this. Run automatically object will be taken care of.
Okay.
So this is the main difference, and about set and HashSet. And there will be a list, one more linked list is there, I think so. Yeah, linked HashSet. Clearly, it means yesterday I told you the linked list. What is the difference between the array list and linked list? Link between the two nodes. Start address ending node. Between the two ending nodes. The storing HashSet also similar, like same thing. You can make an object of the linked list. See the difference. See the difference. Okay. So earlier we have it, yeah, had TreeSet and linked HashSet also implemented of set interfaces classes. These three are classes and set is interface. And similarly, HashSet, TreeSet, except below mentioned differences. Okay, similar, but there are three external differences. HashSet not maintain any kind of order. Okay. TreeSet maintain ascending order. Okay. But list certain list link HashSet maintain initial order. Initial means how adding your element that order will be printed. That's it. Nothing else on that. Okay, see that. Then the elements are Z, P, Q, N, O, K, K, S, G, H. If they are, the output will be printed here. Same order. See. So, N, O, K, K, S, H. It means just an order. Okay? Yeah. So, order. So, that output only here. Element first inserted, output in the first PQ, second element, and third element, and here also, integer also. First is a 9, 9 is 0, 1. So most of the people use that link, what is a technical list. So it is a, what it is exactly. So this, okay, so block, so this is like, suppose I kept B here 99, okay, locally started at 99. This is the starting address and this is the next link of address. What is the next link is? Next link is 7. So value 7. The address. Here is the address. 100%. And again the 0 bar. 0 links. Then the 0 into list, what is 0? And this is the address. This address, 0 address ampersand, will be stored to the link 7. Same thing, again 66. 66 is the value, is the list, list, and this address will be stored here. So the main linked list means this is the linked list. Okay, it should be so. What is the, I think, null, and second first element address, and second element address will be stored in the first one, and here address will be stored. The next element address will be stored appropriately in the link. So this will maintain till how many elements you added. Suppose elements link, logical link will be created like this only. Also the reason, maintain a insertion order. How you are 97, no, and 67, and 60. Okay? Yeah. And because which we pending here, item. Later, you see that some introduction and we'll work on tomorrow. So here, yeah, these are the two iterators. Okay. There are in Java. Okay. One is the iterator, list iterator. The question is, what is the difference between iterator and list iterator? What is iterator and what is a list iterator? What is the difference between them? So iterator and list iterator. Okay. So yeah, iterator. Both iterator, list iterator and iterator are used to iterate through element of a collection class. Collection classes. What are the collection classes? Class are what are the classes? Tell me till now what are the collection classes we had discussed?
Array,
List. Yes,
linked list, TreeSet, HashSet.
Yes. So what I'm telling you, this iterator can traverse two classes element. So we have created here a example tree set. So we want to traverse with looping. Okay. So we have for loop and we can do that, but there is a predefined interface and predefined method to traverse this element. String, text, get, like that. So that is what the statement. And using iterator, okay, using iterator, it traverse a word action or word. Okay, difference is telling me actually. If you are iterator, okay, you can just only this way. For list iterator, Another thing is, list iterator can traverse the collection class both the directions. Like if you say, or you can do this. Travel the and backward direction is nothing list iterator. And the iterator is used for all the collection classes. Collection classes means which TreeSet, HashSet, and release and linked list. And yeah, list iterator only used for list interface classes. List interface classes are array list, linked list, and vector list. Yeah. And this is the difference, and you can see some article is there, but before we do the difference, we'll see the individual. So iterator. Okay. So I'll discuss tomorrow. No. Okay. Yeah. The new topic. So we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah, I'll stop here, I think. Yes, let me know. So this HashSet. So the thing, most of the people will say that, hey, most of the people will explain these basic operations only. When you get to real time, these are very useful, and that time will make confused also. Statistical is different from the collection, and sessions. Like tutorial is different, little bit different, but concept is similar. But you need to give the concept of here, when to use. That's why I wrote the statements here, when to use. See, example, relations all are written in the same class. So when you got a time, do these statements. These are the very, very valid, important statements. So definition when to use. If you are clear about these statements, about the statement, in your requirement, you have a requirement, then you can immediately choose which is suitable for your requirement. This statement and usage of collection, then get confused. So we with practice. Same example, do the practice and apply some other methods. I for few methods here. Suppose we have you can see from few methods here. Like I is empty. So for operations we come to yes. So start here. Like if you have any doubts, tomorrow.
Can meet tomorrow. Can you copy sharp and now?
Yeah, I will do it.
Within a single folder, that is fine. These classes will be there in the SRC folder, I guess, right?
Sure. Your is low.
No, you can put it as a single folder, zipper folder. We will extract it.
Oh, yeah. I'll do it.
And I will do that. I want to.
Yeah, you can call me. Yeah.
Bye.